Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the size of any item you might be ordering off of Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, currently I'm on the Temu website. However, the process is pretty much the same for the mobile version as well. So I'll just go over the details here on the web version. Now, let me just first clear my cart simply to make it easier to see and to organize. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a shirt simply to get something that I know you can choose the size for. Now, for example, let's see this casual plaid shirt for men. And now we're going to go through a security question. Just verify that. And once you're verified, you can then go ahead and select your size while adding the item to your cart. So for example, I'll choose a size 36 UK, click add to cart, and now we have it in our cart. Now we can go to our cart where we can verify what it is we're purchasing. Now, as you can see, this is the plaid shirt, which is in size S or size 36 UK. And now you can just click on the size over here and you'll get these options again. And I'll switch it to a 42 UK and click update. And now, as you can see, we have an XL instead of an S. Now, if I go into the checkout, as you can see, it is pretty much locked, so you cannot change the size here, and you cannot change the size after you place the order. If you want, while it's still processing, you can cancel the order, or if it's been shipped, you need to wait for it to deliver, and after it's delivered, return it and order something else using the store credit you get as a refund. But pretty much those are all the steps you need to do and all the steps that you can do. Just change it here before you actually order it, and you should be good to go. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.